my childhood, I was being very creative, creating some or the other thing. I was basically surrounded by art things like paintings and all these things I used to do. And through that way, I have joined Hamstech.
From childhood, I was like very, broad-minded, adventurous. I want to do everything. I was like, just be myself. My mother, she supported a lot for me. Just because of them, I'm here and I'm gonna be some or the other day the biggest designer.
Hi, this is Sayyida Humaira Fatima, and my fashion philosophy is stay simple and glamorous.
Hi, this is Nishat and my fashion philosophy is be yourself. Just be yourself.
Yeah, collection is basically inspired from Indian musical instruments, and you can see Indians love music. Here, after we have forecasted, you can see the colors, the mustard yellow and the brick red. These are the forecasted colors. They are in this season.
The mainly used fabrics in our collection are the raw silk, which is shining out like anything in our garments, and organza, which is giving a blast to our garments. The both combinations with the color of it are amazing.
As you can see, our collection is basically from musical instruments, and we know Indian musical instruments are made of wood, varnish, and you can see that in raw silk, right? It's kind of woody texture, and this
Exactly.
organza adds touch of glamour. You can see the glamour in it, the simplicity, simple cuts, and yet glamorous. For me, there are many fashion icons. As you can see, Sonam Kapoor and Deepika Padukone, the way she carries herself, and not to forget Aishwarya Rai Bachchan.
Yeah, exactly. That's what. Love, she's even my inspiration, and she's very glamorous, and the way she handles herself, it's amazing.
Dear Miss Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, ma'am, our garments are inspired from Indian musical instruments, and they are Indo-Western. It would be our honor if you wear it for us, and
The garments will sing if you wear it. Actually, each and every collection has their own thinking, the difference in between it, the speciality of each and every one. So this will be ours even. Will be special in some or the other thing. Our collection is special maybe for the motive.
The motives are really highlighted in our collection.
Highlighted.
The golas there, you can see.
And the black
That
and
will
white
be a
effect
unique
even.
point there.
Each and every collection has its own uniqueness.
Rhythm Divine actually is an ethereal blend of using inspiration of musical instruments onto this collection. Colors inspired from the musical instruments, the motifs inspired again from the musical instruments on organzas and raw silks. This entire collection is a great collection and ensembles to have for festive occasions. They are not only comfortable to wear, but the entire linear line of this collection gives you a structure that you all aspire for.